The situation is getting pretty desperate on the ground. 5 months on since the beginning of the war in Sudan, we've seen almost 300,000 people return to South Sudan, come into South Sudan. There's upwards of 1,000 people arriving every day. These people have had made very arduous journeys to arrive to South Sudan, and many of them, over 90%, are arriving at Joda rank. The situation is very difficult for them. Many of them haven't eaten for days. 1 in 4 of the women that we are screening are malnourished. 1 in 5 of the children are malnourished. We're trying to mount a response for them in rank in the transit center, but the situation is becoming more complicated. It's difficult to access, and of course now with the rainy season, just over the last couple of weeks we've had 2 massive flood events in rank that have displaced over 4,000 people and also made the conditions in the transit centers very difficult. WFP is providing food assistance. However, we're only able to provide 50% of really of what's required, given the condition of these people. Yeah, it's a challenging and difficult situation with people arriving every day. Also, many of them, over 90% of them, are South Sudanese returning to the country. They need onward transportation from rank to their places of origin, their places of destination. So really the transport out of rank needs to be scaled up, and in order to do that, funding is required. Also, just a comprehensive humanitarian response is required in rank to deal with the situation as people are waiting for onward transport. WFP is providing food and nutrition assistance. However, we're only providing 50% of what is required, as people are waiting there more than 7 days, 14 days. So a lot, more funding is required to support the comprehensive humanitarian response.